Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Asus Armoury Crate. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your favorite browser. Okay, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, gotta find Asus Armoury Crate, just like so, and then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on Armoury Crate right here from Asus. Okay, click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads right here, there will be some prompts. Just click on X. Now go to the top, click on downloads, and just find Armoury Crate. Okay. Now once you're in this page, all you got to do is just go to scroll down and find Utilities Armoury Crate. And just click on download. And a download page will pop up. Go ahead and save it on your desktop or wherever you want. So click on save. Just wait for the download process to finish. Once that's done, close the browser. Here you have it. Just double click on it. And then move the folder onto your desktop. Close this one. Double click on Armoury Crate. Double click on the installer. Click on yes, and there will be a pop-up. And then just wait for the installer to open up right here. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and install Aura Creator and install Virtual Pet. If not, disable these two and leave Armoury Crate ticked. And then just go ahead and click on Start. I'm just going to go ahead and close this one. Here we have the installer. So just wait for it. So once that's done, a pop-up will show. Just go ahead and click on Agree. If you want to include Playground, Assistant, and Content Service, go ahead and tick on these options. If not, just click on Next. The theme right here, gotta select whatever you want. I'm just gonna keep it to off black and start using. I understand right here, and then just wait for it to load. There will be a pop-up, click on yes. And another installation process will begin. This time it's gonna install the RG Live service. So just wait for it, or patiently wait, as this thing will take some time. All right, and now it will ask you to restart your computer. So just go ahead and click on Reboot System. And then after that, you're good to go. That's just how easy it is to install Asus Armoury Crate. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.